I welcome you to another episode of Daily Dose of Net. This was captured on camera, just moments before a helicopter plunged into the Hudson River near Lower Manhattan. Telling police officer to quit his job amidst a pursuit is super crazy.
Of the tiger is the thrill of the... Oh, hell no. Bro, you gotta quit. This job ain't for you.
So this lady found a way to make a baby kangaroo feel like she's the mother. But for me, this is just the easiest way to kidnap a baby kangaroo. So this guy found a way to strike the best deal with his dog.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
I thought his eyes popped out.
Come on, Cody.
I think the referee was totally shocked and flabbergasted more than the entire crowd right there. So, she made her mother say this.
I am so fucking retarded. I don't get it.
Keep saying it.
Why?
So tell me, how long did it take you to understand it?
Retarded. I am so fucking retarded. I am so fucking retarded. Oh, I'm so fucking retarded. Okay.
This convict reaction to his 46 years sentence for robbery is too emotional.
I don't think there's any half. 43 straight, right?
Bullshit, man. Get out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here, man. Bullshit, man. Fucking bullshit, man. You fucked up, man. Bullshit, man. Fuck, man.
What will be your next move in this situation? That is it for now. Thanks for watching, and please do come back for more. You can drop a like for us.
Is that funny?